So here we have a typical factorization sum, and in this case I need to find a common factor. So a common factor that can go into the first term and the second term, and that common factor is 12. So if 12 goes into 12x, I have a remainder of x. I'll bring my plus sign down. 12 goes into 48, 4 times. But what if my sum was 12x squared minus 48? Now again, the same will apply here. I'll need to find a common factor. And once again, that common factor is 12. But this time, I'll be left off with x squared. I'll bring my minus sign down. And 12 goes into 48 4 times. Now, as you can see, the sum is not completely factorized. As this type of factorization represents the difference between two squares. And the difference between two squares requires me to have two brackets. The factors of the first term, which is x, and the factors of the last term, which is 2 and 2. One bracket will carry a plus sign, and one bracket will carry a negative sign. Now, how do we know that this was the difference between two squares type of factorization sum? The first term needs to be a perfect square. As you can see, it's x squared. Second term needs to be a perfect square. So if you multiply 2 times 2, it will give you 4. And the sign must be the difference or a negative sign. And therefore, that bracket is a difference between two squares.